Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Dave. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you create a website for free. Free hosting, free domain. Yes, free. Absolutely free. Maybe you're a web developer, you're just starting out, you want to show your portfolio, or you want to try out something, you don't want to try it in your website. This is how you can do it. Absolutely free. So let's go.
Uh, yeah. So you want to go to make sure you guys remember to subscribe, like, and share it to people you know that will need this Infinity free. So guys, please subscribe and share. So you go to Infinity free, yeah, for the free website, see free hosting, free website, you register. Um, I should probably just register with it, okay? Um, Let me just sign up with Google to make things fast. Yeah. So yeah. So once you sign up, you create an account. Without the account, you can't. You sign up already, but you still need to create an account. These ads, these are just the way you are going to pay for it. Nothing is actually free, but in this case, you get my point. So yeah, you take this. So if you want to upscale, you get to take the rest, but this is what we are here for. You want to show people your portfolio, you want to, for whatever reason, you need a free website. You're starting out a business, you just want to put it out there first. So now you choose. You can't get .com domain, of course. You have to get this weird domain extension. So let's just go with site demo or demo site, whatever. Um, which is the one that is less creepy. Let's go with this demo site GT. So this is it. This is the only downside of it. You you don't have a choice. Already in use. So we'll go site demo. Check availability. Let me check if it's finished recording. Okay, sometimes it does. So they give you a password. Just email. Make sure you put approve so they can send you some messages in case uh, website. Yeah, this is pretty much it. The password. I just have to save this. By the way, this is one way I just pin it. The Windows key and V, you can what you copy and pin it and sort of saving and all that. So yeah, that's just an extra tip. So what you do, guys, is after all this is created, I think notification is generated automatically. So yeah, that's it. Just create an account. You wait for it. It takes up to 72 hours. Yeah, but not always. So here we go. Here we go. So you already have right now. You have a domain and a hosting for free. Let's try it out. Let's take it and check. See, that's how you get your domain for free. So the next thing we have to do now is just to script installer. You install the script. You get WordPress now. Of course, once you use WordPress, install WordPress. Um, okay, password admin. Just put it simple. I just want to show you guys real quick. Nothing much. Just that's it. Let's just do it. Let's quick. Let's just install and move on. So these are basically the things. If you already know WordPress and everything, so just let it do its magic. So guys, make sure you subscribe, like, and share it to people that you know they will need this. So what we have to do now is go to the admin. That's all, man. Just now, see, this is a WordPress. This is the website for you. This is free, no dime, no anything paid. You see? So now let's just we can't just leave it like this. But this is how you create a website for free. The rest is designing. Let's just I hate this kind of thing. Let's just make it. Let's put something. I shouldn't have closed that. Control Shift and T. You get it back. So that's another tip, by the way. By the side, you check out my video for shortcuts. Now let's just install the theme real quick. Let's just install a theme. And one thing, guys, since this is a server, a lot of people will be using it, so it's just make sure you delete. Try to reduce the load as much as possible. Yeah, so let's just I'm working with this theme, by the way, right now. No, that's the wrong place. Add theme. I'm working with block C right now, so I should just, yeah, so just install. You can any theme of your choice, of course. Activate any theme of your choice. Just do it. You want to quickly show, yeah. So show people that okay, you can your skills and you want to test something out. So after you've installed, just install your plugin of your choice, or I mean your theme of your choice. But this theme, Floxy, is actually nice. It comes with this, so you have to install this to get the full functionality. I just want to use a starter template to put something in it, and then show you how. See, so let's come to starter. So when you install that theme, it comes with a plugin that is compulsory. You install the plugin, you saw the way I did it, will bring you to this page. Of course, we're not buying anything. Everything we are doing is free. So we come to the free place. Now, let's just say you're a company that you're a consulting company or whatever template that fits that's closest to. Let's say you're a chef company. Okay, that's closeness. You're a restaurant. Okay, no. I want to choose something. Okay, let's go with clinic. Let's say you're a clinic. You import this. Anything closest to what you're trying to achieve. Like Elementor. Um, okay. Don't make it too heavy. Start going. Sometimes it takes time. The last time I tried to do it, it takes time before, but it's working now. Going. Just let it install. Let it take its time to install the necessary things, and then you have your template. From your template, you can design. You can check out my website. You can check out my other videos on how to design. I'll make more videos though, so make sure you subscribe so you can be notified. Um, I make videos on AI, on how to all kind of websites. So yeah, you just give it time to install. This is free. This is nice. For those of you that are just starting out, you want to build, and then instead of some people prefer the local environment, but this is another way also. This is another way you can even when you've done it, you can just do it and quickly share the link. It looks more, even if the link is weird. So yeah, view sites. I'm not going to be designing it. That's not the scope of this video. I'm not going to be doing anything. I just want to show you guys. Look at. So let's just say you're doing it for a company. You can start editing. You know, to start editing. Of course, now you can check out the videos how to edit with Elementor and all that. You have all the resources you need, but you can change everything, change it, work with everything. This is your website, guys. So if you want to change anything, you customize. You so guys, yeah, it's some you can't expect it to be very fast as this is not you're not paying anything, so you can't complain. The server is going to be, of course, a lot of people will be using it. So, but this is a great way to get your feet wet and get your hands dirty. Absolutely. So you can change the header, you can change anything you want to change. Yeah, your logo, select, you change it with the one you want and everything. So you so you have a WordPress skill already and you want to try it out. This is not the scope of the video. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That's it for this video. Just a short one. You see, so if you take it, let's take this link. After you've designed it and everything you want to do with it, you've done it. See, if this is this, for example, now I want to make. I'm trying to look for. I'm trying to. A company wants to make a website, and I want to show them. Maybe the company is an hospital company. This is what I would do. They don't have to pay. You can just do it and then take the link and then show it to them. They'll be like, wow, nice. And then they can now say, okay, we want it or not. It doesn't cost you anything. And now it's a win-win situation. If they don't, then you didn't lose anything. If they like it, then you can now go and buy the real domain and the real hosting platform, whatever hosting and everything. See, and then from there you make your money. Or if you're a business owner, around, you just want to show your business and everything. So whatever reason, so that's how you do it, guys. So now let's check it in other. I will check it with. So it wouldn't be as if. Let's check it, see if it's working somewhere else. Bam, that's it, guys. So once you edit it, whatever you do is going to reflect here. And then here you go, the free website, free hosting, free domain. So see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace out.